MTHFR tips. Though it isn't possible to change a gene, there are things that can be done to minimize the potential for problems or to help avoid problems in children, before and during the mother's pregnancy. Some things that are helpful are focusing on gut health. Especially when the body has impaired ability to use certain nutrients, it is important to focus on gut health so that the body can absorb the nutrients from food as effectively as possible. Avoid antibacterial soaps, vegetable oils, processed grains, and refined sugars, and support the gut with fermented foods and homemade broth. This also helps avoid candida, which can make MTHFR-related problems worse. Avoiding environmental toxins as much as possible. Those with an MTHFR gene defect have an impaired ability to eliminate toxins. I avoid plastics, chemicals in beauty supplies and cleaning products, and scented candles, which can all release harmful chemicals. We use houseplants and other methods of cleaning our indoor air and filter our drinking and shower water. Not taking anything with folic acid. Folic acid is the synthetic form of folate that cannot be used by those with an MTHFR defect and which can be very toxic. Avoid any supplements with folic acid and only take L-MTHF forms, which are the methylated forms the body can use. We also recommend BiomeIQ Pure Methylation, a super B complex designed for individuals with methylation deficiencies. Lots of leafy greens. Dark leafy greens contain the methylated forms of folate that those with a gene defect need. As if we needed more reasons that it is important to consume green veggies. Avoid processed foods. Again, as if anyone needed another reason to avoid processed foods, many processed foods have synthetic folic acid added. Avoiding things that can block or deplete folate levels. Certain medications, including hormonal contraceptives, can interfere with folate levels, and medicines like antacids can interfere with B12 absorption. Avoiding heavy metals. Heavy metals in diet or environment are harder to remove from the body for those with a gene defect, so I'm careful to avoid these. Since those with an MTHFR defect have an impaired ability to eliminate toxins, help support your body in this process, BiomeIQ MTHFR Detox is absolutely essential to support the natural detoxification pathway, which can be reduced by MTHFR mutations. A list of recommended supplements can be found at MTHFRstore.com.